My name's Bella. I do service accommodation management.
And how long have you been doing it?
About 10 years-ish. Yeah, it's been a while.
Are you a member of the academy? I see. How long?
I am, yeah.
How's that been going?
Yeah, I've been in the academy for 3 months and it's going really, really well. Love it.
Tell me some of the things that you might learn or see in that time.
Okay. Okay, so one thing that I'm learning is to be comfortable being uncomfortable. So like right now, being on camera, I'm like quite nervous, but I'm doing it to overcome that fear. And I think we can apply that to all different areas of business as well. And the more that we do that and we push ourselves, the more results that we get.
So it sounds like you're not only just learning, knowledge, but you're also growing yourself as a person.
That's it. Yeah, self-development. It's really important. It's
And
quite nerve-wracking though, like being on camera. So,
and have you been here for 4 days this week, or
yeah, 4 days,
what
including
have you
tomorrow.
seen during the 4 days? Have you seen any deals?
Oh man, seen so much. People finding lease option agreements, people doing business with each other, people overcoming their fears, facing challenges, all different kinds of things. Yeah,
And what about Samuel and the team? Tell me a bit more about that.
really cool people. Like, what more can I say? Down to earth, genuine, fun.
And
Yeah.
what would you say someone looking to get into?
Someone looking to get into property, I think like if you're not already there, it can be easy to wait for the right time or for life to align or circumstances to align or finances to align. And sometimes you have to be the thing that aligns to make everything else fall into place. And you just got to go for it. Just do it with wherever you are right now.